Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Melany. I just want to take the time to wish all of you a very happy Canada Day tomorrow, July the 1st, and also wanted to take the time to let you know that our webinar will be canceled for tomorrow online because we are getting together as a team. All of our business contacts are getting together as a team at Deer Lake Park in Burnaby, British Columbia to celebrate Canada Day and to basically come together and to join in this beautiful festivity since we are allowed to now join one another at parks. So what I wanted to do is take the time to thank you for watching our webinar series on Thursday nights. And we look forward to seeing you on July the 7th, which is next Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The Zoom ID is 604-300-4555. That's 604-300-4555. And just to let you know, we have two amazing speakers next week coming on to our webinar to talk on the topic of leadership. One of them will be going over mindfulness versus mindset, and the other one is going to share his journey of being a top achiever in some of the world's biggest corporations. So we're excited to have both of these people on our series, which will be next Thursday, July the 7th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm your hostess, and if you can't make it out to Deer Lake Park and you are out at a gathering for Canada Day, please be safe, be well, have fun, and enjoy your company, and maybe take the time to let them know about our People, Planet, Prosperity webinars that we have, because we're always looking to have new like-minded guests join our community. And we always have an amazing time on Thursday nights. So we are so sorry to miss you online on Canada Day, but this is a message from me to you to let you know that I'm wishing you a fantastic holiday. And on that note, stay blessed, stay healthy, and we'll see you on July the 7th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All you have to do is log in at 604-300-4555, which is a Zoom ID, but it's also my personal cell phone number. And we'll see you at Deer Lake Park tomorrow. Thank you again, and have a wonderful, wonderful evening.